There's a train coming, and I'm guessing it's via rail. We haven't got via yet in this vid. Is it via rail? And let's zoom in to see if it is. It is via F40PH 6418. Nice. Train coming. Yep, that's a train. He's coming this way. So yeah, here's we go. Let's go. Let's go. All right, it's an express. That's just me guessing. But I don't know, something, my gut instincts are telling me that it's an express. Or whatever it is. I don't know. I wonder if Crafty Fox will ever make the new Go Transit, the new Go Transit cab cars. Pretty sure that is a Go train. Pretty sure he's flying. Yep, that's an express, all right. Here he comes. Express Go train on the move to Stouffville. 6:45. Old cab car, 253. Oh my gosh, two old cab cars, one video. I don't know what else to say. First, I get 255, and now 253. What are the chances? And there's a train coming. New cab car at the end. I can tell because of the shade of the headlights. It's a local. Sorry about that. Alright, here comes the Go train. Oh wait, never mind, it's an express! Yo, this guy's flying! Here he comes! Yo, this guy's moving! Look at him go! D46! Whoa, look at this guy go! Look at him moving! 608! Wow, that guy was moving! Wow! Whoa!